Hello my friends, John LaRuffa here, and I'm going to do another Unbiased unboxing video, but this time it is coming from Essen, Germany. That's right, I got the very, very good fortune and blessings to be able to come to Spiel 2019, and today we are going to unbox this one right in front of your very eyes. Maracaibo. Alright, so let's take a look at this guy and see what's in store for us. Okay, so Maracaibo by Alexander Pfister is the game we're going to be looking at, and one of the things I love about it right away is this little line right here. You want to set sail alone? Pfister has worked that out for you. Well, thank goodness, because you know I do. Unique story mode that allows me to play a campaign. Outstanding, love it. So good box art here. Really looks good from a presentation standpoint. I saw it in play at the convention. I was very excited. Now, sorry about this. I got to pick this up with two hands. I don't have a stand here, so we're just doing this all one-handed tonight at the hotel. All right, so we've got our basic wooden components, a couple of different custom ones in here. All look just fine. Usual meeples, circular discs. Ooh, this is different. Blue bag. No idea. I've never seen a blue bag in one of these games. That must have something to do with the gameplay at some point. And then big stacks of cards. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and take those out for a second. And let's look at the game rules. Now, this is a big one. There are a lot of rules in this game. Hopefully they won't be too tough to learn, but this is a good rule book laid out well. Just lots and lots and lots and lots of them. So just make sure you understand what you're getting yourself into, folks. If you want that sort of thing, you know I like it, but not everybody does. 24 pages, well illustrated, good examples. I'm fine with that. All right, let's see what we got in here. So we've got some really, really thin player aids there. Too bad. They're well illustrated though. That's a plus, but they're very, very thin. So you have to be careful with these guys. We got several of them. Okay. And then we've got some punch boards here. Standard thickness of cardboard. No problems there. Those will work out just fine. Another set of them right there. Some interesting. Who wants to look at it upside down? Come on, John. All right, lots of different looking chits there with different things on them. Good artwork. I do like that. Here we go again. There are two of these guys. Should flip them over and see what's else on the other side. All right. So that's double-sided. Let me flip this over too. Let me really give you guys a look. Oops. Well, that's the back side of them. All right, so more of these components. Looks good. Very excited. I love a good-looking game. Who doesn't, though, you know? Games should look fun. They should be fun. That's the way I think about it. All right, here comes the board. I think this will be just a slight bit bigger than average. All right, sorry about that. The old laundry pile there. You got a little sneak peek of that. Pardon that one. Okay, and then here's the board, though. So as you can see, quite large, quite colorful. Good illustrations on the board, clean iconography like that, and like any good solid Euro, tons and tons and tons of tracks. So that's a plus. So I'm going to pause this just for a second, stop it really, so I can open up these card decks and let you see what's inside there. Okay, so there's plenty of cards here. No joke, you'll have your work cut out for you with an enjoyable amount of cards to flip through. Again, I don't know too much about this game, but I can tell you there's plenty to look at here. Plenty of good looking illustrations. The card quality itself, it's a little bit on the thin side. Not the end of the world, but you may be tempted to sleeve these bad boys. But lots of different cards here. Very cool. Lots of stuff to explore. That's very exciting. So you can just see as I'm peeling these things back, just tons and tons of them. Okay, so there's a bunch of different people cards, and it looks like we've got some different places. That's cool. And then this is going to be, I'm sure, the campaign with many chapters in it. That's very exciting. I don't want to reveal too much in case you don't like spoilers or anything like that. But plenty of different things there to do. And then it looks like even more people cards. So people cards, places cards, just tons of these things. So this is really good news. Lots to explore in this game. Very excited about that. So overall, really like the components here. The cards are a little bit thin. That's one of the drawbacks. The other drawback, really thin player boards, but thicker components from here. The wooden meeples and everything else look just fine, and I love the illustrations on the board and the cards. So that is an unbiased unboxing from me, John LaRuffa, and I hope you guys have a great one.